Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today will give you instructions to get rid of the pop-up windows associated with the website install-ready.com. It's a special pop-up window that tries to promote certain browser extension, and so far the extension is now called Free Ad Block Now. Periodically the names of such promoted extensions may change, but nevertheless their purpose is basically the same. All these third-party extensions promoted by means of these pop-ups, instead of blocking ads, they start displaying a lot of intrusive pop-up windows, advertisement banners, and other forms of online sponsorship of certain websites. So this way the developers of this website and this extension get their profit, get their revenues. And the point is that AdBlock Now extension is not installed by people based on their own decision. Instead, they may install it pretty unintentionally during installation of some free applications. So what to do if this extension was installed and now you start facing a lot of ads generated by the extension? What you need to do is to access the menu of your Google Chrome browser. The menu looks as this circle with 3 vertical dots. Go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So now you need to find this particular extension, AdBlock Now, disable and remove the extension completely. Finally, after this has been successfully accomplished, I also recommend you to check the safety of your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official page, combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start examining the system with this program to make sure it is free of any other concealed infections. So, after the antivirus database is updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the analysis of your system. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. In my case it was in the premium mode, but you'll see a pretty similar picture with the trial mode of Combo Cleaner. The program gives you the report about threats found. You may go to the antivirus section, click on Review Results. So as you can clearly see, this is the list of all threats that were found during the scanning. How to get rid of these threats manually? Of course, you can see the location of specific threat, plus you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you the location of the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats and get rid of these threats manually. Or, of course, you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.